Hey kids, welcome to Sonia Talks and Teaching STT. Today topic is phonic sound. Today we will learn phonic sounds alphabet. Before that, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Let's start kids. A sound is A, aeroplane, angel, apple, ant, alligator. Next one is B, sound is B. Balloon, bird, butterfly, bee, banana. Next one is C. C की sound cat, color, cake, cow, chocolate. Next one is D. D की sound drum, dog, duck, dinosaur, dolphin. Next is E. E sound elephant, eraser, ear, earth, eye, egg. A is sound of E. So kids, move to next one. Next one is F. What's the sound? Fox, fork, fruit, flower, frog, fish. And next one G. What's the sound? Glasses, gift, goat, gun, grape, giraffe. Next one is H. Sound is horse, house, herd, hat, hippopotamus. Next one is I. What's the sound? Ice cream, island, ink, insect. Next one is J. What's the sound? Jam, jellyfish, jar, juice, jungle. Move to next one kids. K. What's the sound? Key, kite, kangaroo, knife. Next one is L. Sound is ladybug, leg, loin, lamb. Next one is M. What's the sound? Mushroom, moon, milk, mask, map, mouse. And next one is N. Sound is nest, nurse, nut, net. And next one is kid O. Sound is same O. Onion, owl, octopus, orange, ox. Next one is kid P. What's the sound? Pan, pig, pumpkin, pen, penguin. Q. Q की sound क्या है? Queen, quill, quail, queller. Next one is R. R की क्या sound है? Rain, rainbow, rocket, rabbit. Next one is S. Sound is shape, snake, socks, soap, spider, snail. Move to next one. Next one is T. T की क्या sound है? Teeth, turtle, tiger, truck, tomato. Next one is U. U की क्या sound होती है? Umbrella, unicorn, uncle. Next one V की क्या sound होती है? Vegetable, van, vulture, wasp, vampire, violet. Next one is W. W की क्या sound है? Worm, window, walrus, whale, wolf. Next one is X. X की क्या sound है? Xylophone, X-ray, Christmas tree. Move to next one. Y. Y sound is york, yoga, yo-yo, yacht, yak. And last one is Z. Z की क्या sound है? Zebra, zip, zoo, zigzag. Hope you like this video kids. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share the video. And also subscribe the channel. See you with new video tomorrow. Bye.